Okay, this is going to be a lost episode of sorts. Back in February of this year, February of 2011, I was using my JVC Vario camcorder, which I'm actually using right now to film this, for all of my videos. Now, it's a great little camcorder. The only thing is that it is not high definition. So I was looking to replace it with a high definition camera, and originally I purchased a Kodak waterproof camcorder that also took still shots, and I thought I could do my videos with that camera. Unfortunately, I had a lot of problems with the syncing of the audio and the video, and instead of trying to put a lot of effort into every video that I don't think that I had to put into, extra time basically, to edit a video, I sought out another option. So when I purchased, toward the end of February, when I was deep in the reviews of my Motorola Atrix phone and my Motorola Zoom tablet, I thought I really need to upgrade and get a high-definition camera. So I went down to Best Buy and I purchased this, the Sony Handycam HD-XR150 camcorder here. And I have been doing my videos with it ever since. So the first video I actually filmed with this camera was video 111, and it was the review of the Motorola Zoom tablet. If you go back on my channel, you could look at video 110, which was filmed with my JVC Vario camcorder, and then 111, which was filmed with the Sony high-definition camcorder, and you can notice a difference. I was upscaling my JVC Vario videos to high definition when I was editing it, but you don't get true high definition if you don't have true high definition from the source. So the reason that this video never was published is because when I purchased this camera originally, I was just very busy with my videos with the Motorola Atrix and the Motorola Zoom tablet, and it kind of got lost in the shuffle since then. So now it's about time that I publish the video. It's 7 months later and about 80 videos later, but I hope you enjoy it. Maybe if I have time, I will do more features and a little bit more in-depth on this Sony camcorder, the Sony Handycam. But right now, I'm just going to show you the unboxing, and why don't we go to that right now. Okay, what we have here is the Sony Handycam HDR-XR150. It's a full 1080 high-definition video camera that has a 120 gigabyte hard drive on it. I needed to step up my videos and get a little bit better quality in them. There was some pixelation in some of my videos, so I thought I'd bite the bullet and get a new video camera. So this is it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First thing you see is the Sony Limited Warranty, the catalog for accessories, some documentation, more documentation, software, user manual, and here we go. Opening it up here, we have power cord, power brick where the power cord plugs into, video patch cable here, and looks like a proprietary plug-in on the side of the camera. USB to mini USB cord, the battery, component cable with the proprietary end on it, and here we go, here's the camera. And that's pretty much all that's in the box there. There we go. Sony Handycam. Here's the top of the device. You have a wide and tight, your zoom here. You have a dedicated photo button up here. And it's Carl Zeiss lens. On the right side of the device, you basically just have some branding here that it's a hard drive camera. And you have a door here that pushes out here, and this is where you have your proprietary jack here and your power DC in here. And it's spring-loaded. Of course, you have your strap there on this side so you can hold it and not drop it. The bottom of the device here has your SD card slot here. So it takes full-size SD cards here. You have your basic tripod mount there. The left side of the device has your branding here. It says Exmor R here. 2 times increase in sensitivity. And then it's up to 10 times more steady. So it has a steady cam in it. Like I said before, it has a 120GB hard drive in it. Full HD 1080. And it takes 3.1 megapixel still shots with the dedicated photo button here. The front of the device has your built-in lens cover here, and you just open and close it here like this with the slider here. You have your stereo mics here, and the rear of the camera you have your mode button here, your record button, your start and stop button here, and of course where you put your battery in. Now when you open it up, you have your screen here. It's a touch screen. And then you have a little door here for HDMI and mini USB. You have a power button here. You have an auto button here. And it looks like you have a play button up here. And I don't know what that is, but I will let you know in my next video. Here you have a speaker for when you're playing back your videos on the device itself. And your screen swivels. Let's see, it swivels 180 degrees going up and 90 degrees going down. So that is the Sony Handycam HDR-XR150. I'll be using this camera to do all my videos from here on out. Well, except for the next one when I show you how it operates and I fire this up for the very first time. So that pretty much does it for this video. I'll see you next time.